Welcome to PromptGag, where today we are analyzing the ultimate system architecture failure. Why spending $300 million still cannot buy you authentic Hollywood aura. You can fund infinite CGI renders and pay 50 publicists, but if your core emotional stack lacks baseline charisma, your aura pipeline throws a catastrophic runtime error. In this comprehensive guide, we will break down the underlying mechanisms of cinematic aura, analyze its pseudocode architecture, and review real-world refactoring practices to keep your clout from crashing. At its fundamental layer, Hollywood aura operates as an uncacheable, low-latency state of effortless dominance that money constantly tries and fails to synthetically simulate. Executive boardrooms attempt to inject aura via brute force capital investment, overloading the visual payload while completely ignoring the underlying charisma API. This creates a massive bandwidth bottleneck where high production budget actually scales D.